Good day everyone. Today we were going to explore one of the most important ideas in set theory, the union of sets written as A union B. The union of sets simplify means combining all elements from two or more sets into one complete group without repeating anything. We use this idea in many real-life situations like listening all students who join activities, all items sold in a store, or all numbers that belongs to the different group. Understanding the union helps us organize information, solve problems, and make clearer decisions. So now let's begin and see how union works through examples. The union of set is a set that contains all elements that are in A and set B or in both. So the symbol is A union B. The meaning is combining all elements without repeating. Now let's proceed to the graph representation. A union B is everything inside both circles. So A and B is inside the circle. If set A is the set of 1, 2, and 3, and set B is 3, 4, and 5. Now let's proceed to the application. Question 1. Students who like subjects. Set A is students who like maths. So Anna, Ben, and Kara. And the set B is the students who like science. So Ben and Drew are in the set B. Find the union of A and B. So the solution is A union B is Anna, Ben, Kara, and Drew. So this means all students who like maths or science.